Hi everyone, welcome to Short Nail Life. So in today's video, Madam Glam actually has some new products and I'm super excited to share them with you guys. They have new rubber base gels and there's 5 of them. They're all glittery. I was so excited when I seen these in the mail. Their products are vegan, cruelty free, 21 free, palm oil free, and henna free. Like I said, if you have allergies or anything like that, this is a great brand to try. First color up is called Crystal Vow. This is a silver glitter with a little bit of holographic. It's not super packed with holographic in there, but you can see it shifting in some light. Next is Wedding Veil. This is like a milky silver color. For years I've been looking for a shade like this. I am so happy to have this one because I've really been looking for this shade. I can't tell you how long I've been trying to find something similar to this. So next up is called Champagne Toast. This almost has like a rosy hue to it with the silver shimmer in it. In everything, I did see a little bit of holographic, but I don't feel like they are holographic, if that makes sense. Like they have a little bit of extra shimmer in there, if that makes sense. Next up is Pearl Promise. This is another milky white shimmer. It's like a champagne, I feel like, as well. It's not quite milky, it's not quite silver. It's the best I can explain it. And last up is called Diamond Bride. To me, this is rose gold and it is so pretty. I love it. Like I said, everything feels like it has a little bit of holographic in there, but I wouldn't put it in that category, if that makes sense. It's just something that helps it sparkle a little bit more in the light. If you want to try any of these out, I'll have a link down in the description box that takes you directly to Madam Glam website. And if you don't want to be a VIP member, just hit pay as you go. And if you want to save a little bit of money, I'll pop my code up here. It can save you an extra 35% off, I believe. So yeah, definitely check out Madam Glam because these are so beautiful. So as you can see, I put Crystal Ball, I believe the name was, on this finger, and then I took Ready Set Ski and I put that on the middle finger. This is my favorite blue by Madam Glam. I always tell you guys, pick this blue up. You will not regret it. I actually need to re-up on my Ready Set Ski because I am running out. That's how much I love that blue color. So I am doing some Frenchies on 2 nails. I'm not doing a great job. I'm not really good at it. It's really a skill you do have to practice and practice a lot. Some people may be naturally good at it, but it is something that takes practice. So I did mess up one side. It was actually perfect. I just messed up one side and just kept trying to make it thicker to hide my mistakes when I should have just got a cleanup brush. I do want to mention I am using colored tips today. Rosie 318 found a deal on them and they were just $1, so I decided to try them out. If you don't follow her, she does post amazing deals. I definitely would say check her out. I'll link her channel down below if you want to check her out. So there's a lot going on. I am pulling my AB from this container. Please ignore the Christmas in them. Second, I did skip doing the French on that nail because I just noticed you could not see what I was doing. And most of the nails, I think I only did 1 coat, except for the glitter nails. I did do 2 coats today, I think. I'm not too sure, but I think I did do them like that. And now I'm just going to bling up all of the nails that have that glitter on them. I feel like that's the benefit of this base gel. You can just put the base gel on there. You don't have to actually put on a base coat or anything like that. And it's thicker because it is a rubber base. And you could just put your glitter on, not glitter, I'm sorry, your rhinestones on top. That glitter is hiding the fact that I did not put any rhinestones on the side. The side of the nails is completely bare. Some of them slid a little bit, but they weren't on the free edges of the nail. I didn't even go all the way down the nail either. Like there's a little bit of portion on every side and the bottom of the nail. And that's actually perfect to help you seal in those rhinestones as well if you're worried about them falling off. So I'm sorry I hit the camera right there, but what I'm doing right now is, like I told you earlier, I messed up the French on these nails. I didn't know what to do. So in my mind, bling it up, it needs to be hidden. So that's what I'm doing. And I did put caviar beads on it off camera because it's hard to film them. So right here, you kind of see my process. I decided to leave this in. I had this rhinestone, charm sitting on my desk, and I was like, let's see how this looks. I hate it. So I left that nail blue. I really didn't want to leave that nail blue. I wanted to put bling on it. So let me know if you think it would have looked better if I would have put bling on that blue nail instead of leaving it alone, or that one nail kind of made the nails pull together. Let me know what you guys think. I did feel like this nail was looking a little plain, so I did add one small shape on there, and then I did finish blinging it up off camera, and this is how the nail set looks. So today's video went a little fast, but let me know how you guys feel. My nail stuff is kind of everywhere. It needs to be reorganized, so I have nothing to display the nails on for you guys. I'm sorry. I know this is looking kind of bad to use this swatch stick, but I'll have something next video. But thank you guys for joining me. Please feel free to like, comment, subscribe. I make new videos twice a week. I want you guys to have an amazing day. Bye.